Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Windows 11 no sound problem. So here, if you are seeing this icon on your taskbar here, so I'm going to show you how you can fix that icon and get sound output from your PC. So before that, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button as well, and let's get started. So first step you need to do, you have to press Ctrl X and then go to device manager. Inside the device manager, here you can see there is an option for audio input and output. So you have to click on that. You can see there is my speakers, Intel sound. So you have to click on right click on that and hit on uninstall device. When you click on that, you just need to hit uninstall. So I'm not uninstalling because I am recording this video, and if I uninstall, so my audio will not capture in OBS. So don't worry, it will not delete your drivers from your PC. It just delete temporarily. After uninstalling that, you need to restart your device. After restarting, it will automatically install the audio driver back in your PC. If it's not, you can just go to your browser and search for Real Tech Audio Driver. So you can see here is the Realtek audio driver from Intel. So just click on that and you can see here is a file which you need to download. So you can download by clicking the link which I gave in the description. After downloading that, you just need to extract that file and run that as administrator. This problem caused after reinstalling Windows on your PC, and it will automatically solve when you restart your PC and install updates in your PC several times. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe my channel. Leave a like and comment, so I'll make sure you are satisfied by watching my video. Thanks for watching.